Hey, this is Trey Owen here with Earl Owen Company. We're here spotlighting the brand new bumper by Frontier Truck Gear. Their new commercial front bumper replacement. We have installed the bumper on a brand new 2022 Ram 3500 cab and chassis. As Nathan would say it, let's check it out. Your new Ram is a big deal, and your front bumper should be too. Beef up the strength and curb appeal of your truck with the Commercial Series Front Bumper Replacement by Frontier Truck Gear. This bumper allows you to retain the factory park assist sensors and camera, as well as the two different styles of factory fog lights that the Ram comes equipped with. Some people may say that the pipe bumper is outdated. Well, I say not anymore. Frontier's taken this pipe bumper a look and given it an overhaul with their Commercial Series bumper by adding subtle style changes and sleek lines that match your truck. Not only does this bumper look nice, but it's built with strength in mind. This bumper is made up of 4-inch scheduled 40 pipe and finished off with a solid black powder coat finish. It's equipped with a 2-inch receiver that adds more functionality when you need it. Frontier engineers these bumpers to have a no drill installation process, so your bumper fits perfectly every time. So if you're looking for a sleek, sturdy bumper for your truck, then look no further with the Commercial Series Front Bumper Replacement by Frontier. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Speaking of subscribing, we're fast approaching 1,000 subscribers and we need your help getting there. Tell your friends about us and share our videos. Comment, because once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll be giving away this cooler to one lucky winner that's commented on this video. Maybe it'll be you. Hey, remember to tune in every week for more truck-related content like this. See you next week.